How to install Fabric for Minecraft on Mac. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So first of all, you need to download Minecraft launcher and get your account set up on it, and also get the Java downloaded and installed on your Mac. After that, you need to simply open up your browser and search for fabricmc.net, and here you would get the downloader option. Simply click on download and just simply download it and install it, and keep everything at default. You don't have to make any change, and just make sure that you have the same version of Minecraft that is being shown on Fabric. And even you would be able to check it out that whether Fabric has been installed successfully with your Minecraft or not by just simply launching the Minecraft and then checking out the list. But before playing Fabric, you need to get the modes, and for modes you need to open up this one, Modrinth, and over here this is how the website will look like. Then you would have to click on this option of mods over here. Here you would need to search for Fabric API, and most probably it might be at the top for you as well. Simply select it. Then select the option of versions over here and download the version which is similar to your Minecraft. If you are playing 1.21.1, then download this one. If you are using the version of 25W44A, then just download this one. So make sure that you have the same version. After that, you need to download this one as well, which is Sodium, and just go to the versions and find the version which is compatible with your Minecraft. Download this as well, and after downloading these two modes, you have to install them using your Minecraft launcher. Simply open up your Minecraft launcher, and over there you would find the option of installations. Open up Fabric and just transfer both the modes, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.